Hello guys, welcome to my Dream GK channel. Everyday new videos will be shown here which will be useful in various competitive exam. So those who are new to my channel will subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. So let's get started. Today's first question. Name of the wife of Mahatma Gandhi. Option A Putli Bai, Option B Kasturba, Option C Raliat Ben, Option D Lakshmi. The right answer is option B Kasturba. When was the Gandhi Arvind Pact signed? Option A March 1, 1930, Option B March 5, 1921, Option C March 5, 1931, Option D March 15, 1933. The right answer is option C March 5, 1931. In which year Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa? Option A 1900, Option B 1910, Option C 1912, Option D 1915. The right answer is option D 1915. What was the age of Mahatma Gandhi when he got married to Kasturba? Option A 12, Option B 13, Option C 15, Option D 18. The right answer is option B 13. Who gave the title Mahatma to Gandhi? Option A Subhash Chandra Bose, Option B Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Option C Rabindranath Tagore, Option D Jawaharlal Nehru. The right answer is option C Rabindranath Tagore. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated in which city? Option A Calcutta, Option B Ahmedabad, Option C New Delhi, Option D Lucknow. The right answer is option C New Delhi. Who was the youngest child of Mahatma Gandhi? Option A Devdas, Option B Ramdas, Option C Horilal, Option D Monilal. The right answer is option A Devdas. Service without dash is selfishness and egotism. Option A love, Option B humility, Option C non-violence, Option D patience. The right answer is option B humility. Nothing once begun should be abandoned unless it is proved to be dash wrong. Option A morally, Option B theoretically, Option C logically, Option D practically. The right answer is option A morally. A man is but the product of his dash, what he thinks he becomes. Option A actions, Option B educations, Option C hard work, Option D thoughts. The right answer is option D thoughts. Dash is that mode of conduct which point out to man the part of duty. Option A industrialization, Option B civilization, Option C revolution, Option D technology. The right answer is option B civilization. Dash as such is not evil, it is the wrong use that is evil. Option A Satyagraha, Option B injustice, Option C capital. Option D dishonesty. The right answer is option C capital. It is unwise to be too sure of one's own dash. Option A wisdom. Option B freedom. Option C knowledge. Option D faith. The right answer is option A wisdom. Dash does not wait for reasons. Option A dishonesty. Option B injustice. Option C success. Option D jealousy. The right answer is option D jealousy. When was Mahatma Gandhi born? Option A 2 October 1869. Option B 30 January 1869. Option C 30 January 1948. Option D 15th October 1869. The right answer option A 2 October 1869. When did Salt March end? Option A 12 March 1930. Option B 6 April 1930. Option C 12 April 1930. Option D 6 March 1930. The right answer is option B 6 April 1930. Which word did Gandhi spell wrong as a child when the school inspector gave detection to the class? Option A uniform. Option B settle. Option C kettle. Option D umbrella. The right answer is option C kettle. How many children did Mahatma Gandhi's mother Putlibai Gandhi have? Option A 4 sons. Option B 2 daughters and 3 sons. Option C 3 sons. Option D 1 daughter and 3 sons. The right answer is option D 1 daughter and 3 sons. In which state Chauri Chura is located? Option A Madhya Pradesh. Option B Gujarat. Option C Uttar Pradesh. Option D Maharashtra. The right answer is option C Uttar Pradesh. Who gave the title the Father of the Nation to Mahatma Gandhi? Option A Rabindranath Tagore. Option B Subhash Chandra Bose. Option C Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D B.R. Ambedkar. The right answer is option B Subhash Chandra Bose. There were questions for you in the last episode. Who is the ex-officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Option A President. Option B Vice President. Option C Prime Minister. Option D Speaker of the Lok Sabha. The right answer is option B Vice President. Today's question is, in which year Mahatma Gandhi met Jawaharlal Nehru for the first time at Lucknow Congress? Option A 1916. Option B 1914. Option C 1905. Option D 1919.